The OSOYOO Mecanum Wheels car kit features advanced omni-directional movement, allowing it to navigate forwards, backwards, sideways, and diagonally, making it ideal for confined spaces. This robotic car kit is controlled via an Android or iOS app, introducing a fun and intelligent way to explore robotics with features like line tracking and obstacle avoidance. OSOYOO provides an extensive bundle that includes everything needed to assemble and engineer a robotic car, making it a comprehensive package for enthusiasts. The kit includes additional accessories such as tutorials, sample project codes, and step-by-step instructions, which are perfect for honing skills in robotics and coding. The metal chassis and mecanum wheels are designed for durability and performance, ensuring the car can handle diverse terrains and tasks with ease. Overall, the OSOYOO Mecanum Wheels car kit is an excellent educational tool for teens and adults interested in DIY coding and mechanical projects.